Now if you're also having this problem, like if I go to my YouTube account in the right corner, and you can see there is no YouTube recap in this account here. So if you want to fix this, just go to Google Chrome here and search for youtube.com/recap. So you just need to type it here, youtube.com recap, and press enter. And no matter which account you are logged in your Google Chrome, just tap this open YouTube, looking for YouTube 2025 recap, and this will take you to your YouTube account which you're logged in. As you can see, now I have the 2025 YouTube recap on this account. So if I close out of here, you can see I got the 2025 recap in this account which I have logged in my YouTube app. Remember to update your YouTube application. Also, if you don't get this, don't worry, YouTube is rolling out this YouTube recap in this week, so you will have this today or tomorrow. So as you can see, I didn't have the YouTube recap in this account, but just I got this YouTube recap with this method. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.